What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change or delete your music from your Instagram post that you have posted before. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to on your Instagram. Okay, after going to your Instagram you have to go to your profile. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you to delete music from your Instagram post. So let's find a post we want to delete. You have to find the post you want to delete the music from. I'm going to this post. You can see here is music I have already attached to my post. So I want to delete it from my post. So what I can do is click on three dot bar icon. Here you can see there is no option for me deleting the music. You have to click on edit. After clicking on edit, you can see here is no option on for music deletion or add. So what you can only do is delete this post. You have to click on this three dot bar icon and you have to click on delete, and you have to post this again without the music. So this is the only way to post your photo or video without music. There is no such way to delete the music from your photo. Okay, this is how you can remove your music from your Instagram post. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel to find more video like this. Peace.